So we're gonna have to go. We can go right under, but it would block. If we go right under there, it's gonna block that. So I need this cable not to block this one. So we're gonna have to go all on the side here. Okay, let's just throw these guys over on this side. Yeah, just throw them over. I'll fix them over on this side. Now, sucks. Yeah, I don't want that to wrap. Yeah, it has to wrap under. That has to be like that. That's it. You can't really change this part. Yep. Now, these are fans, so I'm good with that. This would go over on the top here. GPU wise. GPU. I guess I'll have to go up to the top. Okay. So let's see. CPU can be done up here. CPU, 3 GPUs. This one is coming here. Alright, so he's that way. He's gonna go this way.
And then GPU for that. And maybe this is a lot simpler than I'm making it to be. So I start by using this light here. Using this nice light. Oops. Alright, let's see. Okay. There's so much garbage on this table, so it's like, jeez. Alright. This is a twist. Right this way. Does that make sense with that cable raising it back? Oh, perfect. So, yes. Why is this cable so freaking fat? It's like, jeez. Okay, there you go. Right in there. Nice. I'll do it at the back in a second. You gotta be careful with these damn fans. This shit is freaking like a freaking saw. Oh yeah, these pins aren't even around. Alright, so those are power LED. That's which one? Even like this, the reset switch. This is audio. I don't know what that goes. Oh, hiding. This is power LED. Positive on the bottom. Negative on the top. And yep, should put this away first. Ah. I can see. Okay. And then we got the negative. And we're golden in that case. And we got this power again, and that team, we're at the, you can see the blue, the black triangle means positive, so you just follow your instruction manual. This is not a hard drive light. Huh, interesting. Okay, let me just make sure it doesn't, because it's 5,000 wires in the back here. 5,000. Which one is this one? Okay, that is this reset switch, I'm going to use it for something else. So I don't think this has, well, I don't see any. I see 1, 2, 3 cables, which I hooked up already. And that one, and 2 fat ones. Which I only see 1 fat, okay, there's 2 fat ones there. So I'll do the instructions of the cables, the fat one. And the audio. Audio. J-audio? Is that what that is? Yeah, has to be. And it is J-audio, so we don't need J-audio to here. Okay, I'm gonna fix it.
So this is gonna take forever, and I don't want to create too much more video to edit and go through and delete and to make this video. So I'm gonna do all this wiring, and then I'm gonna come back in when I'm done. Alright, so this is where I am right now with the front of the case as far as the wiring goes. Yeah, I made a rookie mistake here where while we wasn't paying attention, I was too worried about cooler and the cooler fitting, and I didn't plug these frickin' two 8-pins in, and I didn't plug in the CPU fan headers. So that took just like an hour just to try and fish those in there. So this is where I am as far as the wiring goes right now. The hub is in there, all the wires are in, so it's just basically tucking these wires up. This wire right here where I showed you guys earlier, I just put some electrical tape on it. I don't want to have any issues because you can kind of see the power wire in there, the actual cable. And basically everything is connected. The only thing that needs to be done now is finish tucking the wiring up in the back, install the GPU and fix the wiring for the GPU separately, and then time to power up and see what happens. Hopefully everything goes smoothly.